Let's talk about pro-built service subscription orders. Service subscription orders are used to create service sale orders on a schedule. Subscription orders and the sale orders created from the subscription orders are not accounting forms and they do not post to the general ledger. Sale orders are used to generate invoices which do post to the general ledger. Rules for managing subscription orders can be created in System Setup under Operations Setup, Default Settings. You can specify the number of days in advance of the subscription order's next scheduled date that a sale order will be created from the subscription order. You can specify the number of days in advance of the subscription order's next scheduled date that the customer will be emailed a notification of the next shipment date. You can specify the number of days in advance of the subscription order's next scheduled date that the customer will be emailed a notification of the next payment date. You can also elect to enable automatic subscription order billing to occur during non-business hours during which the customer's payment account will be drafted if appropriate. To create a subscription order, click on this plus sign, then click Subscription Order, then Service Order. When the form opens, select a customer. Select a Ship To location. The subscription order number is generated for you. Enter the date that the subscription order is created. The subscription start date is the first date that service should be performed. The next service date is automatically filled in for you each time a sale order is created from a subscription order. Choose a renewal interval. Select the method of payment that you are expecting for this sale. This is an especially important decision when working with subscription orders. If the payment method is set to draft, ProBuilt will attempt to charge the credit card or bank account that you have set up in Stripe for the customer on this subscription order. Input the customer's reference number, if any. If your company operates from multiple locations, select the location that booked the order. Then enter any memo you would like to add. Press Tab or Enter and your cursor will enter the details grid. Remember, while your cursor is inside the details grid, you can use the Enter key or arrow keys on your keyboard to move around inside the grid or press Tab to exit the grid. Input or select an item number. Once you've selected an item, the rate will fill in automatically. Enter a quantity and the form will calculate. Press Enter and your cursor will move to the next row and repeat the process. When you have finished adding items to the details grid, press the Tab key and the cursor will move to the Add Bundle button. To add an item bundle, press Enter. This pop-up screen will open to display a list of existing bundles. Use the arrow keys to move up and down the list. Press Enter to add the highlighted bundle to the subscription order. Once you have finished adding items to the subscription order, tab to the Save button and press Enter to save the order and close the form. Or press Ctrl-Z to open the pull-down menu. Select Change Status to update the order status using your company's custom list of status codes. Select View History to open a list of all sale orders created from this subscription order. Select Print Order to print, export, or email the subscription order. Emailed orders can include a request for signature, a link for payment, or both. Or cancel the order. Lastly, from your keyboard, press Ctrl-I or click here to attach files, including spreadsheets, PDFs, or images to this order. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.